Hey guys, hi. So, I got a PC. Not the best decision I've ever made in my life, if I wanted to, you know, have a social life, but it's okay. I don't know, a very big part of the reason why I wanted to get a PC is because I just want it to look cute. Like, I want it to look aesthetic and nice. And to be honest, right now, it's not really that interesting. But it's kind of good. Like, I don't know, it's... I have been playing Sims for the past week, non-stop. I can't help myself. It is just the most fun game, and I will have you know, I'm playing the raw base game. I have no add-ons, I have no stuff packs, I've got no extension packs. I am playing raw, boring Sims 4. Like, I have nothing, I don't even have CC. Like, and I have been sweating it out, and it has taken every single bone in my body to stop me from buying all the expansion packs, because I was close to it. But no, I'm being financially wise and I'm stopping myself from buying all the extension packs, no matter how badly I want to. Me and Sims are like this. I also got Minecraft, which I've been playing too, but I feel like Minecraft is funner when you have friends, which I have lack thereof. I'm joking, that's a joke. Anyway, you guys don't need to be the judge of that because it's okay. But if you guys want to recommend mini games, I wish you could play Animal Crossing on PC. Wait, can you? Okay, no, I can't. I don't really want to buy a Nintendo Switch just to play Animal Crossing, not gonna lie. And my addiction to just playing games doesn't need to go any further than having a portable device for it, because I will non-stop be using that when I'm just out, which I don't need. Like, I'm lucky that this thing is tied by wires to the wall, because I bet if I literally could bring it outside with me, I would. Anyways, enough about my Sims 4 addiction. We can unpack that later, but I want to give you a little tour of what's going on. Okay, you can't really see it. This is my PC. Hold on, I don't really know how to, like, okay, you can kind of see it like this. Okay, this isn't very good. I need to change the light settings, so I can't bother. This is my PC. I actually can't tell you anything about it because I didn't build it. Isaac built it for me, so shout out to Isaac who made that for me. Very appreciated. I can't actually tell you information about that because I have no idea how PCs work. Not even a slight idea. But I can tell you about what is on top of the desk. It's actually not clean right now, so maybe I should clean this up. Anyway. This is my PC screen. I don't think you can see anything. Here we go, that's more like it. This is my current setup. So I have this green keyboard, which was, again, gifted to me by Isaac. Thank you very much. And that one was actually also gifted by another one of my friends, which is Tamsin. Oh, is this going to focus? So yeah, thanks Tamsin for that. So thanks guys, very cute of you. But this green one I think is from Amazon. I don't think it's like a brand or anything. Oh, actually maybe it is. It's, what is that? Say Mothy. Oh, okay, this is not, okay, there we go. Yeah, it's that, and it actually comes with this little mouse, and they're both just battery, like Bluetooth, like they just work by battery, and that one is plugged in, and this one, look, sounds so nice. Like, the sounds are just so good. And then my PC screen is also from Amazon, which I actually bought myself, believe it or not, and the brand is, you can't see it, but hold on, actually, let me turn on my flashlight. That, I don't think you can, but it's Crui. Oh, I don't even know. I'm just gonna hope that you guys understand what I'm saying. But it wasn't that expensive. It was like I think like £80, no, like £100, but it's really good. Like it's, I mean, I guess that's not cheap. I don't know why I said that, but it's like, it's quite good. So you don't really need like a really, really fancy one. Like you don't need to spend £100, like hundreds and hundreds of pounds. But this is like, I'd say this is really good because this one works. Like it looks really neat and like graphics are like really nice. I don't know about these things, okay? I don't know why I'm doing this video. I'm more doing this video for the aesthetic purposes than the I'm informing you about PCs, because I have literally no idea what I'm talking about. My whole desk is like, I've got my laptop there still because I still use that just for like things, like if I want to watch something in my bed or like, you know. Oh, and it's actually my book. I bought this book a couple days ago, Nick and Charlie, and I'm literally, look how far it is, and I think it arrived literally like yesterday, and that's how far in I am. I guess to be fair, it's not really that like hard of a book to read, so it didn't take me that long, but it's very, very good. It's the like Heartstopper story, even though I know there's comics, but I don't really want to read the comics. I don't know, maybe I will. I don't want to go like, I don't want to say that I'm like, I don't have anything like comics or anything like that. Like I literally have never read a comic in my life, so I wouldn't know if I liked it. I just thought I'd rather get a book, because like I feel like you can like vibe with a book more than a comic, but I don't know. I'll read the comics maybe if I really want to. It's not really the story version of the show. The comics are the story version of the show, but that's just like a follow-on story of it, I think. It's just good. It's very good. Also, I binge watched the entire of Heartstopper season 2 in one sitting. Highly recommend, guys. Very good show. Also, don't look at my pimple. So yeah, that is a very good book. I actually have so many books that I need to read. This is my little reading list over here. I don't know if you can see that, but I have a couple books to read that I need to get through this summer. This summer's moving way too quickly to my liking, because I was thinking I'm gonna get so much done this summer, I'm gonna get through all these books and everything like that, and I'm gonna be so good and everything, and it's not really been like that, but it's okay. I'm kind of getting more into it now because like I had a rocky start, but it's okay. It's going good. It's the start of August, I've still got it at the time. I'm actually starting driving lessons next week, guys. How cool am I? Very cool, I think. How have we got to this? Anyway, my point is, I wanted to more talk about the aesthetic side of how to make a nice looking desk setup. I don't really know how I created this, but it's just come to be like this. So hold on, let me do some reorganization for a minute. Yeah, so, oh, I forgot to actually talk about a desk mat as well. That's also from Amazon. It's just like, I don't know if it's actually a mouse pad. I think it was listed as a desk pad. I don't know what that means. That means like a big mouse pad, right? I think. I don't know what. I, again, don't know anything about this. I don't know what measurements I got. I think I got the smallest one. And like this is how big it is, which is like big enough for me. Like I don't need any bigger than that. I feel like I have a really like nice looking desk area. Like this is exactly how I want it to be. I kind of want something else going on in the back because I feel like it's a lot of just beige wall, and that's like, and I have like 2 revision cards up there which I'm too lazy to take down, so those are sitting up there for a minute. But yeah, just this whole area is cute and I love it. I feel like the key to having a nice area is lighting, 100%. These LED lights, I will never get rid of LED lights till the day that I die. I don't care about people talking about, oh, LED lights not a trend anymore, like no one likes LED lights, LED lights are weird or whatever, and like everyone's starting to get rid of them because they think they're sick. I don't care. I'm an LED light fan until the day I die. I love coloured lighting. I think ambient lighting and mood lighting is so important in making like an area that you can feel like really comfortable in, because like you can just change it to any colour you want and like change it to a colour that fits your vibe, your mood. If you don't want any colour, you can just put it on white, or if you want your light on, you can just turn your flipping room light on. Like no one's stopping you. Not my point. I think everyone should get some LED lights because they just add so much to a room. And on top of that, I think you should also get like a little yellow lighting lamp. Not like yellow lighting, but just like warm lighting. You need warm lighting if you want to make a cozy vibe. I love putting on candles as well because I don't know, candles are just so good for making like a cozy vibe. I have a candle literally right behind there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's summer right now, so I'm obviously not gonna put a candle on, I don't think. But yeah, and so yeah, lighting, very big point. That's my first step. Again, like with my keyboard's got like light up, even though that was a gift, so I can't really like say that I bought that, but again, that does so much. Also, don't ask me why I have 2 keyboards. I didn't even explain that, but I use one for gaming and I use one for just like other things, or not even, I just change it between them because I got 2, so I just use them for whenever I'm feeling like using one of them. yeah, so yeah. And also another point of making a cozy area is plants. I don't know if you can see up here, but I also have another plant up there. I have a plant up there, a plant there, and a plant there, and I want more, to be entirely honest, because I love plants. I want some vines coming around this corner here to make it really look more like green and foresty, and I will be showing you guys when I do that, because I think just plants add so much to an area if you want to feel like cozy and like just nice and warm and everything. Like, plants are just the key to happiness, to be honest. I have plants everywhere in my room. Like, I've got more little plants over there. I've got loads of like plants over here. Like, I love plants, even though they're all fake, by the way. Every single one of them is fake. I'm not at that stage of my life where I can look after other things other than myself, not gonna lie. I'm barely surviving on my own as it is. I don't know how I keep a plant alive, so I just get fake plants because they're pretty. They always look nice and fresh and lively, and I don't have to look after them or put any energy into them. So yeah, I highly recommend getting plants if you want to add something to make it look cute and fun. Yeah, I guess there's not really much else to say. My desk is from IKEA. However, I do know that they've actually recently discontinued it, which is really sad. I don't know if they're going to bring it back or what, but it's just not on the website anymore because I went to look for it because someone asked me where it's from and it's not there anymore. So sorry about that. Yeah, it's such a cute desk. I think this desk is literally perfect, and it was so cheap when I bought it. I bought it like 2 years ago and it was like £60, I think. Which doesn't, it's obviously £6 is not a little amount of money, but for a desk as big as this is and as nice as this is, it's literally a massive desk. Like, I don't know if you can see it, it is big. Like, this is a big desk for desks. And it was £60 and it's so nice. Like, I feel like if you buy a desk new from somewhere, they're going to be more than like £100, and the fact that I got this for 60 and it's really nice is just amazing. I wish I looked after it more because the whole top of it is just like scuffed and has stains and fire marks from when I've dropped candles and matchsticks, and there's just scrapes and just like stuff everywhere that I can't fix, which is really annoying, but it's fine. I wish I looked after it better. So if you do get desks from IKEA that have like white wood like this, please look after them because I didn't and I regret it. Yeah, I love this desk. This desk is so good. If you can find a desk like somehow like this where it's got like a little thing, oh, which one am I going? Oh, it's got like a little compartment over here, and that's like really nice and big. You got loads of leg room underneath. Do that because yeah, I love my desk so much. I literally want to keep this desk forever and ever and ever. I didn't have this here originally, but I've noticed that like having this little bit of like wood here adds so much to this area. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but before I didn't have this here. I had this like dress, I don't know if you can see, why is it not focusing? Oh yeah, I had this dresser somewhere else. I had it like behind me, but I moved it because I don't know, I was like, I kind of want to see what it looks like over there, and immediately as soon as I put it over here I kept it there because I feel like this, just having this bit of wall here really like closes it off and makes it feel more cozy and warm. I also have those little shelves up there which aren't really like above my desk, but like that worked out so nicely because now this plant can hang here really cutely. That is also from IKEA, probably not too expensive. I think they were like literally 10 quid each or something. So yeah, it's very affordable to be able to make a cute little area like this. Don't be taking this as like this is the finished product because I have so much stuff I need to do. I literally did this like last week, this whole thing, so this is definitely not finished. So maybe one day I'll do like an update video of like completed desk tour view. Don't really know what else to say. I've talked a lot, so I might just go now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to hear about your guys's desk areas and how you make them cozy and cute and warm, because I love that vibe. I love being just like comfy, and yeah, so please leave me any tips or recommendations or things you think I should add or remove or change or make better and things like that, because I want this to be such a cute little area, especially with my PC here now. And yeah, enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next video if you guys love me enough to come back to my channel. Be safe, have a good summer, and I'll see you next week. Oh, that was so scary. Okay, this whole angle is kind of scary. Let's move away. Anyway, thanks guys.